Hello, my students! Today we are going to write a problem solution paragraph based on Think, Pair, Share on page 149. So let's read today's objectives. You are going to write a problem and then you have to suggest a solution to that problem. And now please open your textbook to page 149 and let's read the prompt. Once there were two brothers. When their father died, they inherited the big old house and the fields and gardens around it. The house was very old and was in need of repair. The father also left a bag of gold coins. What conflicts do you think the two brothers might face? And now let's imagine the situation or the story together. Okay, here we have two brothers. Their father died. Their father inherited them a very big old house. There were fields and a garden around the house. Their father left a bag of gold coins as well. And now the two brothers have to share the inheritance fairly. So what conflicts might they face? You have to state a conflict or a problem, and then you have to suggest a solution to this conflict or to this problem. To make it clear and easy, I'm gonna give you an example. Please listen well and read carefully. I have to start with a good introduction, okay? After the father's death, the two brothers must share the inheritance fairly. I mean in a fair way, okay? Inheritance are the things that are left by the dead father, okay? They will face, I have to state the type or the kind of conflict that they are going to encounter. They will face an interpersonal conflict. I mean person versus person, okay? So that was the introduction. Sorry. Okay, let's move on. I have to talk about the problem, okay? The problem they will face is what each of them will take, okay? So the first brother wants to take the gold, and he wants to take the gold to repair the old house. But the other brother, or the second one, wants the gold bag to buy a new house. Okay? And now I have to talk about the solution. I have to solve the problem. So I'll say that every problem has a solution. In this situation or this case, the two brothers should share everything fairly, in a fair way. So one of them could, that mean can, okay, could take the house with the fields and the garden okay and he could sell the field to get money. Thus, here we have an effect. Thus, he could repair the old house. The other brother can take all the gold and buy a new house. So that was the paragraph. Okay, here we have a problem and a solution to this problem, and we stated the type or the kind of conflict, which is interpersonal conflict. Deal? Well, that was my paragraph. Okay, please don't copy my ideas. Think of other conflicts and solutions and impress me. So it's your turn to think about a problem and then suggest a solution to solve it. Be creative.